Today I am presenting my project on company law, covering the concepts of a company, the Companies Act 2013, formation of a company, corporate governance, capital market, and methods of raising capital. A company is an artificial legal person created by law. Although it doesn't have a physical existence, it has a separate legal identity, which means it can own property, enter into contract, and incur liability in its own name. A company also enjoys perpetual succession, so its existence is not affected by changes in ownership and the liability of its member is generally limited. These features make the company form of organization suitable for business operations. The Companies Act 2013 is the principal legislation governing companies in India. It is replaced by the Companies Act 1956 with the objective of strengthening corporate governance and improving regulatory compliance. The Act regulates the incorporation, management, and functioning of companies and places strong emphasis on transparency, accountability, and investor protection. It also introduced the concept of one-person company, encouraging individual entrepreneurship. Companies are categorized based on their ownership and control. A private company restricts the transfer of share and does not invite the public to invest. A public company can raise capital from the general public and is subject to stricter regulatory requirements. A one-person company or OPC is owned and managed by a single individual and provides limited liability to sole entrepreneurs. This categorization helps apply appropriate legal provisions under company law. The formation of a company is a legally defined process under the Companies Act 2013 and consists of three stages. The promotion stage involves identifying a business idea, studying feasibility, and arranging resources. The registration or incorporation stage is where documents such as memorandum and articles of association are filed and certificate of incorporation is issued. In the commencement of business stage, public company must obtain a certificate of commencement before starting operation, while private company may start immediately after incorporation. Corporate governance refers to the system by which companies are directed and controlled. It defines the relationship between management, board of directors, and shareholders. Effective corporate governance ensures transparency, accountability, ethical management, and long-term sustainability. Capital market deals with long-term funds and supports economic development. It is divided into two segments, the primary market and the secondary market. The primary market is the market where new securities are issued. Company raise fresh capital, hereby issuing new shares or debentures, and prices are fixed by the company in consultation with regulators. Example include IPOs and FPOs. The secondary market, on the other hand, is the market where existing securities are traded. No fresh capital is generated for companies here. Prices are determined by the market forces and trading takes place through stock exchanges, providing liquidity to investors. Now coming to the methods of raising capital, a public company can raise capital through a public issue. A recent example is Tata Technologies Limited, which launched its IPO in 2023. Through this public issue, Tata Technologies raised approximately 3,042 crores, allowing public participation in ownership. In a private issue, shares are offered to a selected group of investors such as financial institution. A recent example is Reliance Industries Limited, which raised around 20,000 crores in 2024. A one-person company cannot raise capital from the public or private investors. The main sources of its capital is the owner's personal contribution and bank loans, making it suitable for small-scale individual businesses. To conclude, company law in India provides a strong and structured legal framework for the formation and functioning of companies. The Companies Act 2013 ensures proper governance, transparency, and investor protection. Capital market and methods of raising capital play a vital role in supporting corporate growth and strengthening India's corporate structure. Thank you.